Prepositions on the move, mastering direction with phrasal prepositions. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, phrasal prepositions. These are essential tools to help us express complex ideas, especially when we want to indicate direction. So, fasten your seatbelts, we're going on a linguistic journey. Firstly, let's break down what phrasal prepositions are. These are groups of words that function like simple prepositions. Common examples include, in addition to, because of, in front of, and so on. Today, we're focusing on phrasal prepositions that indicate direction, such as toward, onto, and into. Now, let's take a look at how we use these prepositions to show direction. We'll use examples to make this easier. Let's start with toward. This preposition shows movement to a place or thing. For instance, the cat moved toward the bowl of milk. Another commonly used preposition is onto. This indicates movement to a surface. For example, he placed the book onto the table. Finally, into is used to show movement inside something. Like in the sentence, she went into the room. Let's put what we've learned into practice with a few more examples. He ran toward the train station. The painter splashed color onto the canvas. The dog jumped into the pool. As you can see, these phrasal prepositions really help us depict direction in our sentences. Avoiding mistakes is a key part of mastering any language. One common error is confusing into and in. Remember, into shows movement, while in shows location. So, we say, she walked into the house. Movement, not, she walked in the house. And, the book is in the bag. Location, not, the book is into the bag. And that wraps up our journey through phrasal prepositions indicating direction. Keep practicing these prepositions in your daily conversations and writings. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're excited to see you master the English language. Happy learning!